3, 2, 1.
What contains coffee grounds and filters water? The answer is D. Mub. Who wrote The Man Who Mistook His Wife for a Hat? The answer is A. Oliver Sacks. During diastole, what happens to the elastic walls of the arteries? The answer is A. They snap back. Hyperparathyroidism results from an overproduction of what? The answer is B. Parathyroid hormone. What is the natural selection that favors altruistic behavior by enhancing reproductive success of relatives known as? The answer is B. Kin selection. Which country is the world's largest consumer of coffee? The answer is A. Brazil. What is a blue hardcover school book? The answer is A. Notebook. Which brand introduced the UGG boot to the world? The answer is A. Nike. What is the name of the school supply with colored, water-soluble sticks? The answer is A. Crayons. In what mountain are the peaks Manaslu and Lhotse located? The answer is C. Himalayas. Which of these is not an irrational number? The answer is D. Phi-Golden ratio. What does GNP stand for in economics? The answer is A. Gross national product. What is the name of the phenomenon where a person starts to believe in false information they've been repeatedly exposed to? The answer is A. Confirmation bias. What is the human body's waste elimination system called? The answer is D. Excretory system. Which art style flourished in Rome, Florence, and Venice from about 1490 to 1520? The answer is B. Renaissance. What is a ruled notebook called? The answer is A. Gridbook. Which author wrote The War of the Jewels? The answer is D. Christopher Tolkien. Leaving coconut oil out on a counter as the day grows hotter, what happens to the oil? The answer is A. Changes from solid to wet. Which sport uses a racket with strings and a hollow handle? The answer is A. Badminton. Who won the most Grand Slam titles in tennis history? The answer is C. Martina Navratilova. What is it that you throw away when you use it up? The more you use, the less you hold. The answer is C. Empty box. What is the small, handheld appliance that mixes food called? The answer is A. Mixer. Which river has the highest average waterfall height? The answer is D. Iguazu. Which psychological disorder is characterized by recurrent, severe episodes of depression and mania? The answer is B. Bipolar disorder. What is the capital of Portugal? The answer is A. Lisbon. What size of ring will a summer drought cause in a tree? The answer is A. Smaller. What can you catch, but not throw? The answer is D. Wind. Where was John Davison Rockefeller born? The answer is D. Richmond, New York. Who played the tough Judge Chamberlain Haller in the movie My Cousin Vinny? The answer is B. Fred Gwynne. Which theory states that markets tend towards full employment and equilibrium prices? The answer is A. Neoclassical. In which country was natural gas first used as a source of energy? The answer is D. China. What is a kitchen utensil for mixing? The answer is A. Spoon. Which structure was designed by Buckminster Fuller and is shaped like a geodesic dome? The answer is B. Space Needle. Which clothing item is also known as a Bermuda in the UK? The answer is A. Shorts. In which book does the character Jay Gatsby appear? The answer is B. The Catcher in the Rye by J.D. Salinger. What type of house was built using raw logs, particularly in the early years of United States and Canada? The answer is B. Log cabin. Which form of water is most likely to appear when the temperature is below freezing? The answer is C. Snow. Who played Billy Jack in the popular series of movies? The answer is A. Tom Laughlin. Schwarzwald is a mountain range in southern Germany. What does the name mean? The answer is A. Black Forest. In what novel does Huckleberry Finn have an adventure? The answer is B. The Adventures of Huckleberry Finn. Which rule states that a 0 equals 1 for any non-zero number A? The answer is A. Power zero rule. What is it called when individual organisms work together with one another? The answer is B. Cooperation. Every chemical reaction occurs with a concurrent change in what? The answer is B. Energy. Which continent has the lowest population density? The answer is C. South America. Which nut is often candied and used in baking? The answer is A. Pecan. What organisms use cilia, pseudopods, or flagella to move? The answer is B. Protists. What is the most popular citrus fruit? The answer is B. Orange. On what popular TV show did the notorious Tom Cruise couch incident take place? The answer is A. The Oprah Winfrey Show. Which theory states that the price elasticity of supply is infinite at very low prices? The answer is C. Law of increasing opportunity costs. Which cellular structure in an animal cell helps maintain homeostasis by controlling the transportation of substances into and out of the cell?